Hey there, I'm Karston Donovan, and on today's Crop Talk with Karston, we're going to talk about the dry pea harvest price for the 2025 crop year. RMA just released a bulletin releasing those prices to us, so we just thought we would make a video covering that topic so everybody knows what they are and how that could potentially impact their policy and coverages. Quick disclaimer, this is just designed to be educational. Always please confer with your agent and look at your policy for further questions. So taking a look at the harvest prices for the 2025 crop year for dry peas, green and yellow peas came in at 11 cents, which is down 8.33% from the 12 cents it was for the projected price. Lentils went from 30 cents to 23 cents. That's a decrease of 23.33%. So those lentils saw the biggest decrease from projected to harvest price. Large chickpeas also saw a big decrease. They went from 28 cents to 22 cents as the harvest price. And then small chickpeas actually saw a slight increase. They went from 23 cents to 24 cents. So what this means for you is that if you are somebody that maybe had a slight yield loss, you can expect a higher payment to you due to that price decrease, as long as you're in a revenue protection policy. Or maybe if you're somebody that cut slightly over your guarantee, because of that price decrease, you may now be at a shallow loss scenario. So again, the question we get a lot is, what do I do next, or what does this mean for me? If you already had a claim due to a yield loss, so back during harvest, maybe you turned in a loss because you cut under your guarantee. Let's say that claim is still open, or maybe it's been paid due to the yield loss. A payment should automatically generate factoring the harvest price. So there shouldn't be really anything you need to do additionally. Just expect that if you already received a payment for, lentils, large chickpeas, whatever it may be, it may generate an additional payment if you're in a revenue protection policy. If you're somebody that you yielded slightly over your guarantee, then due to the decreased harvest price, it may put you in a claim situation. So these are the people that's really important to pay attention to these when these harvest prices come out, because even though you weren't at a claim due to your yield and your production, now factoring that price decrease, it may put you in a revenue loss. So if that is the case, it's very important for you to contact your agent as soon as possible, get that notice of loss, get that claim turned in so that an adjuster can work through that and ultimately get you paid. That's ultimately what we want to help you with, is get more dollars for your farm to be able to use. So don't ignore it. It's better to take a look, and maybe once you factor the numbers and you and your agent go over it, you find that I'm still not at a payment. At least you double checked it and you made sure that that is the case. So please let us know if you have any questions. We're here for you. Let us know if there's any topics you want us to cover.